Hello there! Welcome back to Mickey Travels and welcome back to another magical day. So, some people have asked, why do you even need a Disney travel agent to go to Disneyland or Disney World? I'm at Disneyland right now, well, specifically California Adventure, but you know what I mean. But Brian, I hear you say, isn't it just as simple as you buy a Disneyland ticket, show up and do stuff and go home? No. Well, I mean, kinda, but there's so many other aspects to it that could really make or break your Disney trip that you may have no idea about. There's lightning lanes, both the regular lightning lanes and the lightning lanes you will purchase.
And there's also making sure that you know like where you're gonna park, what hotels you're gonna stay, because a lot of hotels, especially depending on where you want to stay, and how you gotta know you want to do it, so make sure that all the you want, and then this is another place, and then you're not
Actually, on second thought, let me show you what I mean. So this right here is Carthay Circle, one of my favorite restaurants in all of Disneyland Resort. But the reservations for this fill up like 3 months out in advance. So if you came to Disneyland, really wanted to go to a Carthay Circle and didn't know it was already full up, you couldn't eat here. Or if you did get on a waiting list, it'd be like 4 hours. But if you book with Mickey Travels, they could probably get you that reservation so that way you could enjoy your vacation the way you want. But I also hear you saying, Brian, I can make my own reservations. Which that is true, but a lot of these open up at like midnight. Do you want to stay up and wait till midnight? Or let Mickey Travels do it for you? So yeah, you could be enjoying amazing food over at Carthay Circle, or eating a hot dog by the restroom because that's the only spot they had available because you didn't think ahead. I would rather go the Carthay Circle route myself. Then rides like Radiator Springs Racers are always consistently around an hour wait. And let's say you can't wait that long. So then you have to go through the single rider line and split up your entire party of 6. So then you're gonna have 6 photos by the end of it with a bunch of random strangers in the car with your family members that you don't know. One of them who looks like they're going to barf, and you're gonna have that in your memories forever. Do you want that, or do you want one car of 6 with your whole family together, smiling and relaxing on their vacation? Mickey Travels works hard to make sure you get that. Not Barfy Face McGee over here. What if you're going to Disney World and you're staying on property and don't realize that you can get in 30 minutes early before everybody else because you're staying on resort property? So you end up wasting that 30 minutes, standing in the rope drop line with everybody else, and guess who happens to be right next to you? Barfy Face McGee. Mickey Travels can help stop that. And what if you come home from your Disney vacation and you find out that there was a ride there you guys had no idea even existed? And then the kids see it and they start screaming and crying because they want to go back because they missed that awesome ride. And now all they do is just go back and look at pictures of the park and all they see is, say it with me, Barfy Face McGee. Do you want a Barfy Face McGee kind of vacation, or do you want a magical vacation? That's why you get a travel agent, and you should book it through Mickey Travels. And I'm sure you're thinking they're going, okay, if I get a vacation that good with no Barfy Face McGee, I'm sure it's gonna cost me an extra $300-400, right? No, it is no additional cost to you. The same price you'd be paying on your own to go on this vacation is the same price you pay with them. In fact, sometimes it might be cheaper. They can find you discounts and stuff sometimes. So if you wanna check this out for yourself, head down to the description, get a free quote today, and see if Mickey Travels can make the vacation of your dreams happen. Remember, Mickey Travels, making magic one vacation at a time.